Am I wrong for flipping out on my fiance for selling the gaming chair my brother gifted me to pay for her gym membership? I, male 33, lost my 27-year-old brother to cancer a couple of months ago. We were so close and had a lot in common. He was a gamer and had all types of gaming gear, including a gaming chair that he wanted me to have before he died. It's devastating because we were really hoping and had planned to spend Christmas together. This chair I consider special because it was my brother's favorite of all gear, and it reminds me of him whenever I sit in it. I don't play anymore. It just brings me closer to him to a degree I cannot explain, and it brings me so much comfort. I keep the chair in my office, and days ago I found out that my fiance, who has been out of a job and complaining about no longer being able to attend the gym, took the chair and sold it online to be able to pay for her next month's gym membership. What a bitch. When I found out, I flipped out hugely and had a very negative reaction. Like anyone would, what the hell? She told me that she was desperate for money, and after selling all she had no choice but to sell the chair. How about, get a job? I reminded her of who this chair belonged to, but she said I already have tons of keepsakes for my brother and I shouldn't act like it was the end of the world. Am I wrong for telling my boyfriend that he should have covered up his tattoos if he wanted any respect from my family? Oh, I'm already calling you the asshole here because that already just sounds really degrading and mean, and so I don't like that. My boyfriend and I have been together for almost 2 years. We're polar opposites. My boyfriend told them that I